Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see secure folder photos in Samsung. So if I don't do this, if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see secure folder photos on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the secure folder on the app menu. Once open, then locate and click on gallery. If you have any photos here, you'll be able to see it. And if you want to add photos to your secure folder, all you need to do is go ahead and open the gallery application. On your gallery, go to the place where the photo you want to add is located, then highlight the photos. Click on the three dots at top right where you see more, and then click on move to secure folder. This is going to move the photo to your secure folder. And once the items are moved, you can go back to the secure folder and you'll be able to see the photos in your secure folder. To move them out, all you need to do is click on the three dots at top right, click on select, choose select items, click on more options, and then select move out of secure folder. Then these items will be moved back to your gallery on your Samsung phone. So that's exactly how to save secure folder photos in Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.